Hey guys, this is official Cookers After Sales Service channel. I'm Aaron. I will be demonstrating how to install our product, the KSS1, as a wall-mounted bookshelf. Please note that this is only one way to use this product. Its premium function is as a stuffed animal storage unit.
This is exactly how it shows in the instruction.
This is a plank A, and this is a plank B. This is screw S3, and we need two of them. And this is a plank C. For sure, we also need four of the screw. And now we need the plank D and 12 the plank E. We also need 4 of the screw S3. Every time I say S3, it's like the short screw. We need 1 of plank D and 2 of plank F.
Basically, we just repeat the step 3 instead of using E, but F.
And now we need the plank of G and the plank of H with a 2 hole on the side. Of course, 2 of the screw. Now we are going to secure the assembled parts together. Okay. Now let's attach the elastic rope to this part. Be aware that we are using the rope of P, which is a 2 meters rope, to finish this step. Use your crayon or pencil to make a mark, like that, for a hole, and you put it like that. Make a mark like that. After you finish the hole, place the stuff in the right place and put it in like that for all of those 4. Same at the bottom. Put the screw in and you're all done. I have just demonstrated how to use a single module as a bookshelf on the wall. This serves as a special usage method for this product. For a complete guide on how to install the Case+1 as a stuffed animal storage unit, you can check the video in my channel or the pinned link in the comment section. Thanks for watching at last. So see you guys. Have a nice one.